Hey guys, today we are playing Escape the Carnival of Terror Obby by Platinum Falls. You might want to turn this screen. Oh, and there will be jump scares and probably loud noises and probably scary stuff. But yeah, you have been warned. Alright. Let's go. Oh, and pretty loud noises, I'm pretty sure. But yeah. Pennywise ball. Let me catch your Okay. Let's try not to die, okay? Okay. This was always a different man. Damn. Brush your teeth, man. Those things are as yellow as corn. No! Well, I died. Well, I always lose. We're only 1 minute into this. I'm already dying. Failure game right here. Oh, come on. Just right there. I'm trying not to get any jump scares, because to be honest, I'd be scared of jump scares. As long as it's not as scary as FNAF jump scares, I'm good. I can get any free FNAF game for free if I wanted to, but you know I'm not. I didn't want to play it at all. And my name is FNAF minus 2. And that's the hard part. We're going to try to get past it. Oh, and I'm pretty sure after this, there's going to be like a clown chasing us. We might be jump scared like a Thank you, Venma, for actually working this time. I just said on the back it was going away. Okay. We're making it this time. Help. We got this, and okay. So we gotta be slow with this one, because it's hard. And we don't get a checkpoint right here, so be very, very careful. Should I get my tile out? I should have got my tile out return for this habit. Yeah, probably. Oh, no, because that would just make me lose quicker. We've only got like 2 deaths so far. Well, 3, I'm pretty sure. Wait, no. Yeah, it's 2. It's 2. We're about to have like 10. I can see like 5. 10 or 20. We're gonna get in this game. It's probably gonna be sure. Wait, no. Then we go to the sewer, and then we go in. Oh, purple meat. Oh, purple meat does not taste good. It tastes like oh yeah. Yeah, it's honest. Oh sh! He's not that scary, man. He's not that scary. Let's do him out. Unstable. If this was actually in real life, I'd probably fall, or I would be too scared to even go up. Fun fact: I'm afraid of heights. I'm pretty sure there's like something where you can fall. Yeah, I went to Urban Air and there's this like parkour thing. Yeah, so scary. I literally cried when I went up there. Only one way up there. Oh, jeez. Why is he laughing? You know, I haven't went this far, so yeah. Oh, it's a coil. Oh, it's not a coil. Yeah, I've played too much Roblox. I'm gonna see a coil and everything. Come on, hey! I did it! This is gonna be hard. Yeah, we got it. Chopper. I do not want my head chopped off. So, okay. Oh. What do you mean by that? Okay, I'm just kidding. Spiky balls, this is what I mean. Oh, freak. Oh. Great jump skills, not. No, I'm trying my best, man. Try my best. Hello, August 25, 26. That's a weird name, but okay, I won't judge. We listen, we don't judge. August 25, 26. Listen, we don't judge. Listen, we don't judge. We judge and we listen. Into the abyss. Yep. Last ticket to the abyss. Freaking up. Ouch, that's gotta hurt. Yeah, you think? Okay. August 26th, I feel you, man. Got like so many deaths so far. Into the abyss. No, I bet we're gonna die like so many times. I wasn't wrong there. This is like our night here, man. We're gonna be spending an hour or something. 9 minutes into this shit. Oh, come on, man. Ouch, that gotta hurt, really. Of course it hurts, man. Oh, gosh! Yeah! Man. I thought we were safe, man. Okay, I'm not popping. Hey, man. You gotta... Whew, come on. We gotta pass one. We can do the second. Oh, wait, yeah, those, thingies. Come on! Bro. We literally almost made it to the last part. You know what? I don't care. We're making it past. I'm so sorry for you, August, but I'm leaving you behind. Oh, shit. Yeah, I think August is leaving me behind. August, why? Oh. Well, August, I'm glad it's not August. Yeah, wow, it was such a good comeback. Guys, can you pretend? I said like the coolest thing ever. Yeah. Never mind, he's back. Oh my gosh, thank you, August. Sorry for what I said, August. It was so sick. The guys who turned out the light. Who turned on the light? More like, boo, this guy stinks. I cannot add sounds because I do not know how to. So y'all gotta get Shakespeare. What does Shakespeare have to do with this? Come on. Game on, man. Come on. Yes, we did. We did it. It took like 9, 10, 11, 12. It took like 3 minutes. Alright. Only one what? Only one way to find out. That's all I know. Oh yeah, this shit. We're about to die a million times. I hope you guys are ready for that. Next, should we do Barry's prison? Yeah. Pretty sure that would be a cool one. Oh, shit. Sorry guys, but I suck at gaming. Yeah, I'm not like my dad. I have a bad gaming career. I bet you guys can tell that. Yeah, baby, I ain't telling no lie. Bye, bye, bye. Yeah, I'm gonna die. Ain't telling no lie. But baby, bye, bye, bye. Cause I'm gonna die. Do you like my insane? Oh my god. Better luck next time. What the hell? Okay, let's go. Let's go up here. Up here. Up here. Up here. Even more up. Yeah, that's what she said. What the f? Okay, anyway. Yellow fire will make you run very fast. Just yellow food. Okay, you already said it, jackass. Oh, shit. I didn't think it was that fast. I got fucking Sonic powers. I like to eat red meat. Sprinkle with cinnamon. Oh. Fall damage. Of course, man. Of course. I'm so slow. Why do I sound like a centipede, first of all? Second of all, I don't care. What the fuck? What the fuck? Give me a high five. Oh my gosh. Why is the narrator just roasting us, man? Get absolutely obliterated. Look, I'm bad at stuff, man. I bet there's gonna be like Oblivion. Like, y'all better roast me in the comments. I can always. Oh shit. Why did I double bounce like that? Pokemon! Pokemon? That's a new power! Oh shit. Oh, my favorite color. Blue! Oh, think. Pokemon! It's a new anime saying. Pokemon! If I will make you jump higher, ask. Oh shit. I hated you for a while. Now let's jump for the power. I'm going up, up, up. No, I'm just kidding. Oh, K-pop demon cut hunters are corny AF, Rich. As corny as his teeth. No, I'm just kidding. I like corn. Why? Fuck. Well, I definitely don't like lava. Who turned out the light? Who turned on the light? Like I said, shut the fuck up. Generator, let me double jump. Can we double jump? Double. No, damn it. Double jump, please. We're about to fail like a million times. I could already see. I wasn't even counting how many times we died after we passed the 3 point. The second point. Past point, so yeah. It's probably past 10. And probably over 25. Sure, yeah. Sky. What the hell? Why are we going down? Oh fuck. Oh, come on, please. Oh, yes. If we fail right now, I swear. Come on, please. We got this. Alright. What the? Scribe. Those are the toughest words ever. No, I'm just kidding. Toughest words ever, man. I need to go back to English class. I know y'all better roast me in the comment section. I know. All I'm gonna say is, bruh. This is kind of fun, not gonna lie. Can't we just like jump to the top now? If we fall, I'm gonna be so mad, man. So mad. Can't we like jump to the skies? Bro, let's just take it forever. Gotta get to like 20 minutes and still not have this. Bro, I was not an epic save, man. I would have fell. I hate this. Not fun anymore. It's simply not fun anymore. No, I'm just kidding. But still, it's important. I fell like over 12. No, it was only 2. I'm being dramatic. What if we just jump to the top? Can we jump to the top? Nah, man. Oh. Wait, no. Man, this is boring. Okay, let's just go over here. Okay, please. Good. Please tell me we're at the end soon. Yes, we're almost at the end. Okay, good. Those like spikes, like almost. Okay. Gosh. We're almost there. Okay, good. Okay. We're almost at the top. Good, guys. I can see it. No, I actually can't see it, but still. I can almost see it. I can almost see the top. Okay, go. Yeah. watch me. No, I'm just kidding. I'm Corey AF. You cannot mess with me because I'm Corey AF, you see. Okay, this is 20 minutes. Falling off my bed nearly, so, yeah. Are we almost at the top, man? Okay. Please tell me we're at the top. We're almost at the top. Okay, I see it. I can finally see the top. Yeah, I cannot make it to the top yet. If we fall, I'm gonna be so mad. 3, 2, 1. Oh, shut up. Okay. I cannot see. Okay, I can see the top. Come on, man. Alright. It was there. Good here. Jeez. Okay. 21 minutes. Hey, time flies when you're having fun, right? Okay. I cannot wait till tomorrow. It's gonna be Friday, and also Halloween. I love Halloween. Boys, do you like Halloween? Say it in the comments. If you see the video, of course. Oh, fun. Wait. Didn't we just cheat? Okay, guys, look, I'm sorry. I'm not gonna cheat. I'm gonna not cheat. I'm not gonna cheat, guys. But let's just say that I could get up here already. Okay, I'm not gonna cheat, guys. I'm not. We aren't cheaters here. We're winners. We win fair and square as a team. Okay, we've been here for like 22 minutes. And I don't think we're gonna finish this obby. We're probably gonna finish it in like an hour or something. Okay. Oh shh! Wait, please. No! Oh my. You know what? I do not care anymore. We just got... Oh my god, man. Why? Just give us a checkpoint. Do it. Not giving up. Here, we don't give up, guys. We don't. Keep trying until we make it. Oh my. Plus, that's all anyway. I'm gonna regret saying that anytime. We're not giving up, guys. It only took that long because we had a reset. See, we're almost at that point we were. See, guys, it's not that bad. Cheaters are never gonna win, and winners are always gonna win. Alright? If we cheat, we're never gonna win another game. Win fair and square, we might win in other games. In my opinion. It's the best advice. What the fuck? Okay, let's keep trying. Sorry it took so long, guys. would skip, but this is true gameplay. So sorry, we're gonna bless your eyes with this, but you're lucky if you are scared of jump scares, because you cannot watch me playing a video game straight for like almost an hour. Because I'm not like other YouTubers, I'm recording everything, every single thing. I was just not ready for them to take away my speed. Okay, you remember what I said? We're almost there. We're not close. Okay, look, I can almost see the top. Alright, guys. We're not giving up hope. We're doing this. Oh my... Okay. You know what? We're still trying. We're still trying, guys. Like I said, we're not giving up hope. You're still almost at the top. I'm not gonna let I'm not gonna let myself rage quit. It's not what we're doing today. Okay, 26. I like to look at the timer. It tells me how much minutes of failure I have to get past this. Oh my god. I'm scared for it to take away my fast powers. But I know it's coming around the corner. Okay, I'm gonna try not to lose. Okay, guys. To take away our powers. Because I bet it will. But I won't be prepared. Please. Okay, I'm so nervous now. I'm so nervous. Don't want it to take away our powers. We're so close. Okay, we're so close. We're so close. Still close. Okay. It's probably gonna there. Okay. So don't worry, guys. Even though having a panic attack, we're not gonna worry. We're not gonna worry a bit. I'm gonna have a panic attack. Okay, this is where they're gonna take away our powers. Okay, I'm getting frozen chills. I'm so scared, man. This is just for a video game. For a video freaking game. Oh my god. This is the real jump scare. Jump scare knowing that your powers will get taken away. Right? Okay. That does not make sense. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Please subscribe. This is so painful, man. I'm so scared. Literally the epitome of playing a board game. Please. Okay. Crocodile board game. That's epitome. Epitome. I'm scared board game. I'm so scared. Probably gonna be right here. powers. I'm pretty sure we're gonna get our powers taken away this time. Not gonna be scared. Just gotta face it. It's probably gonna be this one. We get our powers taken away. You know, guys, it's not funny anymore when you take away. That's like the weirdest thing to say. Hey, it's gonna get taken away, and I'm so scared. Please let us know. Okay, you know what, guys? No, we came so far. I'm not giving up. We're standing our ground. Okay, this is literally gonna be it for us. Cheat my way out of this. This is probably no, this one is. This one, I'm so scared. Okay. Yep, this one is. I guaranteed it. This one. Okay. Literally Jenga all over. I'm so scared. Oh my gosh. Someone hold me. We got this. We got this, guys. Not gonna. I am. But still. Okay. Just testing. Just testing. Go back now. Okay. Go back now. We've got far, and now we can. I'm literally sweating, guys. Okay, so my hands are sweaty, and I do not want to get my powers taken away. Hey, we have to. We have to do what we have to do. Imagine if I was and that was just for that part. It's probably not, but sure. Let's just think of that. Let's just think that, okay? Is it now? Is it now? Okay, I'm so scared. I feel like having a panic attack right now. Someone please help. Yes, I'm begging for subs. I'm sorry, guys. But this is so hard. Please, at least just watch the whole video, please. Cheer me up, because I am so scared. This is just for an obby, just like I said. I keep saying it's this time, but no. I bet it's going to be like the least expected times ever. It's this time. Nope. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. This time. Art is different this time. Alright, guys. Alright, I'm sorry, man. Not this time. Not this time. Okay, look. I don't know how tall this thing is. Like, it really look at this as your royal purple. That is not that tall. But bro, if you realize how long it took us, it's literally 34 minutes and 44 seconds right now. Yeah, I'm not doing that. Wait, we got our powers taken away. Probably shouldn't have done that. Oh my god. Fuck. Oh my freaking god. We're supposed to do that. Yeah. Fuck. Okay. Shut the fuck up. Fuck. Bro. 3, 2, 1. Fuck. Well. Okay. Fuck. Well, we should jump. We should jump. Wow, so original, buddy. Turn the lights out. Getting clapped right now. What the hell did I just say? Okay. It's funny, but I am literally stressing. Okay. Where the hell do we go now? Volcano or something? Oh. Phew. Place was scary, but we are still what the? We're still trapped in the corner. Are you fucking serious? Scary about a habit that isn't it? At least we can survive this round. Okay. Oh, well, this is not a carnival anymore. Where's the tent? Where's everything that's needed to ban? Why would there be bear traps in a carnival? You know, motion activated bear traps. We're gonna get chased by a clown. I haven't gotten this far, by the way, guys. Okay, we got this. 38 minutes, wow. No. I'm saying that because I'm wondering how the fuck we spent so long on a game for little children. Figuring out how much I suffered through that, thing. We literally lost everything, man. We lost all the progress and everything. But hey, this just tells us we should never give up. Yeah, I have suffered so much throughout this video, and I hope this is almost the end, because I cannot take any more of this, man. This is literally Roblox torture. To be honest, that's what this feels like. I keep dying. Good lord, man. Fuck. This is 40 minutes, bro. It's about to be an hour soon. I've been playing this for almost an hour straight. It's almost like half an hour, bro. Got past that. What the? Oh, there you went, and then use. Okay. This is so stressful. Fuck up. Vinva, stop moving. This is stressful, man. But Okay. Goodbye. Fuck this. We're not giving up. We're trying. Oh my god. I bet no one's gonna watch this. No, Leah, I do not want to be friends with you. Sorry, girl. I do not know you. Yeah, as far as I know, you're not one of my subscribers. So, yeah. Leah and I are the... No. I have been stuck here for hours. Almost an hour, at least. Are we away or something? Fuck! I can't wait till Halloween, man. You know what? School is prison. We're in danger to ourselves. 'Cause if I had school today, I wouldn't be doing this shit. Oh my. Okay. Oh my god. It almost has been half an hour almost. Come on. Fuck! Goodbye, I swear! Fuck! Fuck, 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 fuck. Fucker. Fucky, fuck, fuck, fuck. Okay, this is so annoying. So annoying. So what the fucking swear. Oh. Oh. Fuck. Fucking swear. God. Oh, finally. I'm so happy. Never mind, it's just not the end. Roll roaster. Okay, let's. Finally, this is almost the end. Okay, jeez. What the Finally! Hope you guys enjoyed this. Hell yeah. Oh, thank God. Ouch, that was was a bumpy ride. At least we escaped the carnival. Creator has gotten busy with the winner's room. But there is a few that we could try at least. Yeah, sure, cool. Oh my god, I'm so happy we just at least made it. This has been a wild ride. Very, very wild ride. That's all I'm gonna say, guys. It's been like so hard. Alright, guys. Alright, guys. Bye. Have an awesome day, and know that the Royal Purple Gang supports ya. Bye.